Octo 2. Yeah, this X8 right here has a bad CPU cooling fan. You can go through Octominer and probably get a replacement, but I want to see what I can get off of Amazon. I think it costs like $22 or $25. It's a SilverStone. We're going to pull this off, throw it on the table out here, switch it out and see if it fits. Okay, so we got it open, and you can first see, I don't even have the fan connected because it would make a ton of noise, the bearing shot on it. So this is definitely the one we're going to replace, but you can also see how much pollen, tree sperm, whatever you want to call it, is everywhere. So first things first, let's blow it off. Okay, that's definitely better now. First thing we need to do, we could remove the card itself. I think it's going to be easier for me just to remove the GPU next to it on the back and the front, and we can get better access to this cooling fan. 1 second. Okay, so I took out the two top ones above the fan and one below, because we're going to need access to that. This will give us enough room. They're almost identical. Here is the SilverStone one. Same height. The only difference between the two of them is this one's a screw style and comes with a back plane right here, a back plate or whatever. This one uses a push pin style, so that's the only adaptation. So I stood it up because it's going to be easier to work with. So first, let's get this old fan out of here. There we go. Okay, let's clean off the thermal paste. And also, this is an upgraded CPU. It's not an old Celeron. This is an i3-4130 CPU. Definitely nice to have. And you can get these CPUs used on eBay for only $6. So now let's test fit real quick. Yep, matches up perfectly fine with the holes. Yep, that'll be good. Okay, so let's throw some thermal paste on here. MX4 is what we're using today. Nothing fancy, just a little X. Call it a day. Okay, so now we're going to take the back plate. We're going to fit it on here somehow. Just line it up with those screws. Okay, that one grabbed. That one grabbed. Let's get the wire out of the way here before we get jammed in there. There we go. I gotta remove the third card just so I can fit my drill in there. Okay, that's all good. Squished out the thermal paste. Let's go ahead and plug it into the header. That should be it. Let's go ahead and reinstall the GPUs and see the spacing. The spacing should be the same. Yes, indeed. You can see there is plenty of space. Actually, it's the exact same spacing as the original fan. So let's put this all back together. There we go. Took me maybe 10 minutes actually to make this whole video without the editing to change this out. And we are fixed, ready to roll again. And keep cool. The link for this SilverStone NT07-115X CPU heatsink that works with the Octominer X8. I will have a link for this down in the video description. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, please. Come say hi over at Misfit Mining, and I will catch you on the next video.